meron akong na-receive na copy na bicameral conference committee report. At hindi lang ako, may mga lumabas na nagsabi na nakakuha sila ng mga kopya ng bicameral conference committee report.
That's true.
So, yes, tama yon. Yung GAB ang magiging GAA. Ang tinatanong namin, ang basis para gawin yung enrolled bill ng GAA is the bicameral conference committee report. May blanco yung bicameral conference committee report. Okay? So, that's what makes things questionable. Paano na-filled up at paano nalagyan ng figures yung GAA. Blanco yung BICAM report mo eh.
So ano naging basis?
You cannot disregard or you can never belittle the bicameral conference committee